welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Mohini and I make videos to fashion, travel, lifestyle, travels and a lot more. And welcome back to another episode of 23 Days with Mohini. I am saying this for the last time and it hurts. So this is the last episode of my birthday series. So I uploaded 23 videos as you guys know. And this is the last day. And here I am going to share with you what I got for my birthday. In this video I do not want to brag anything that कि मुझे wow मुझे gifts मिले हैं, but it's just my way of thanking everybody who sent in their wishes and gifts. So I just wanted to share everything with you guys. And मैं कपड़े खरीदती हूँ तो भी तो दिखाती हूँ ना, तो if gifts मिले हैं then why not? And you guys have supported me since throughout, so there will be a giveaway for you guys and there will be a surprise as well, because there is not going to be one giveaway. So stay tuned till the end of the video to know what the giveaway is and what the rules are. And now let's get started with what I got for my birthday. Dun, dun, dun. So first thing first, firstly I wanna tell you, आपने मेरे बर्थडे व्लॉग में देख ही लिया होगा कि मेरी फैमिली ने मुझे 23 गिफ्ट दिए. मम्मा पापा भाई भाभी चारों ने मिलके मुझे 23 गिफ्ट दिए हैं, जो कि मैं सबसे पहले आपको दिखाऊंगी. एंड उसके बाद we'll move on to what my friends gifted me and I'm gonna pick them in random order because अब सब इतना ऐसे पड़ा है तो जो मेरे हाथ में पहले मुझे दिखेगा वो उठा के आपको दिखा दूंगी. So yeah. So the first thing which my mommy gifted are these very beautiful earrings. So ये gold earrings हैं as you can see, and मेरे पास जितने भी gold के earrings हैं वो छोटे छोटे stars या मतलब छोटे earrings हैं usually, and I am into like statement earrings as well. And मेरी मम्मा को लगता है मेरी 2 साल में शादी हो जाएगी तो मुझे साथ दे देंगे, इसलिए उन्होंने मुझे ये दिया. Next up I have this sling bag which is so pretty. The color is so nice. It's going to be like very helpful, very useful. And इसके अंदर हैं सारी की सारी मेरी chits and रिबन जिसमें गार्गी टाई करके मुझे दिया गया था. एंड बेसिकली ये सारी चिट्स ट्रेजर हंट की हैं. सो इफ यू हैव नॉट सीन माय बर्थडे व्लॉग देन यू शुड गो वॉच इट, बिकॉज उसमें मैंने सारा ट्रेजर हंट दिखाया है जिसके चक्कर मुझे 23 गिफ्ट्स मिले हैं. सो दिस इज अ वेरी नाइस क्यूट पर्स. ये भी वन ऑफ द गिफ्ट्स था. Next up I have this organizer. So this is a bag organizer. As you can see इसको आप हैंग कर सकते हो. मेरे कबर्ड में काफ़ी लंबा ऊपर हैंग हो जाता है, काफ़ी मतलब स्पेस है, तो उसके मैं उसे वहाँ टांग सकती हूँ. और इसमें बहुत सारे बैग्स आ जाएंगे, मतलब 6 बैग्स आ जाएंगे एंड काफ़ी बड़े बैग्स भी आ जाएंगे. एंड आई रियली लाइक इट. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट इज़ कि like मम्मा ने इतना थॉट लगा के मुझे गिफ्ट दिया है. सो दिस गोइंग टू बी वेरी हैंडफुल. आई एम गोना keep all my expensive bags in this one in that cupboard. Next up my mommy gifted me this shagan ka lifafa which I'm not gonna open and tell you isme kitna shagan hai, but this is my sponsorship for my next trip. The next gift I have are these very beautiful socks. You know guys, like Vrinda Bhabhi has an amazing choice. So these are like baby blue lace wali socks and like very pretty. And Miniso ki socks काफी good quality होती हैं. अभी Miniso की socks हैं and these are like these ones, and I can't really wait to style them. I have something for this in my mind already. So yeah. Next up she gifted me these cotton pads, because cotton pads तो मुझे चाहिए होते हैं. I love cotton pads and these are in very beautiful shades, baby pink, yellow and blue. Next up she gave me this very beautiful hairband. As you can see it has like pearls all over. This one's from West Side and I love this hairband. And I love the fact कि मम्मा और भाभी ने इतनी डिटेल्स में ध्यान दिया, जो मुझे एक्चुअली चीजें चाहिए थी उन्होंने वो सब दिए हैं. So yeah. Next up she gifted me this very beautiful keychain. Like this is a very nice teddy bear wala keychain. So I think I'm gonna use it maybe अपने cupboard keys पे, because I sometimes lock them but mostly I don't, but it will be like nice hanging there. So I think I'm gonna use it there. Now you know मेरे बाल बहुत छोटे हैं and I love hair clips, so Barbie got me 2 pairs. So for the first one are these strawberry ones. They look so super cute. I wore them the other day and they were looking like so cute. A pink ones, these are bow ones. I haven't opened them yet, but I am very sure that I'm gonna make the most out of these both earrings. Earrings nahi, hairpins. Next up she also gifted me a red nail paint, because ये nail extensions कराए मुझे almost 5 months हो गए. I guess मेरी 5th nail extension hai, and now I'm gonna get rid of them for some time. So when I'm gonna get rid of them, I love red nail paint, so red nails basically. So she gifted me this one. This is Lakme 925 This is in the shade Crimson Matte and the shade looks amazing. She also gave me this crown, like हमने जब रात को केक काटा था, so she made me wear this crown. This is like so pretty. By she I mean mama and bhabhi both, because I don't know क्या किसका idea था. All what I know is उन दोनों ने और प्रशांत and पापा of course साथ में उन लोगों ने मिलके मुझे 23 गिफ्ट दिए. I have no clue क्या किसका idea था और कौन कब लाया, but this is all what I got. The next up I have this Miniso planner. मैंने काफी सारे Miniso का सामान दिखा दिया ना आपको. So this is a Miniso planner which says Hello Lemon, and this is how it opens. It has a magnetic something, and this is how you have it. You have notes here, like you can like take them off, like these sticky notes, and you have a weekly planner. Like this is going to come super duper handy to me, and when bhabhi gave it to me, she just said that you are Miss Planner, that's why I got you a planner. And also this has like a pocket right here where you can like keep notes, and I've kept this letter जो भाभी ने ही मुझे दिया है on my birthday. This was also another gift. Next up, my mom got this t-shirt. I know because mama told me कि when she read what's written here, so she was like, I need to get this for Mohini. So this is from Ajio. This says self-made and has pearls, like pearl detailing. Next up, they also gave me Doritos. This is my favorite nachos cheese flavor. Today is 6th of October. I have not had it. मुझे पता है मैंने अपनी cravings कैसे control की है. मैंने सिर्फ इसलिए अभी तक नहीं खाया because I wanted to show it to you in the video. I have like one more food item which is this Cadbury Bonville 50% dark. I love dark chocolates and everybody knows that, so that's why I got a chocolate too. Guys, I'm like super overwhelmed. Like mama and bhabhi दोनों इतना दिमाग लगा के gifts दिए हैं. Like I love all of them. So this is a night suit with a lemon t-shirt and black pajamas. कि मम्मा चलो चलो मुझे एक night suit लेना है पजामे वाला, and she's like चल पड़े. Less did I know, she had to get me this as a birthday present, so she didn't like let me buy it first. And yeah, this is from Jockey. And the next gift I'm like very unsure to show you. This is a frog because Bhabhi and Karki thinks I walk like a frog when I wear heels. So this is a frog soap holder. This sucks at your like what do you call it, wall of your washroom, and you can put your soap inside. This is not very great quality. ये चिपक नहीं रहा है. Next up, Bhabhi got me something from MAC. ये आपने बहुत easily उसमें देखा होगा Treasure Hunt में. This was the second gift from Treasure Hunt. This is a MAC lipstick. I am in love with MAC lipsticks. I love them, love them. And this is in the shade All Fired Up. Let me show you the shade. Oh my god, this is such a nice pink shade. I had a red shade from MAC, I had a nude shade from MAC, and next up I wanted a pink shade from MAC, and she got me this. So yeah, she knows me so well. Next up I got a Siska Salon Pro hair curler. This is how it looks like. This is a bada wala tong because I had a curler जो काफी पतले वाला था, but I needed one थोड़ा मोटे वाला for loose curls, and I wanted a curler. She got it for my birthday. I've tried this once. This works amazing. Next up, mama ने कुछ तो मुझे ऐसा देना ही था. I was very pretty sure. So this is a grey color का comforter set. I think it's woolen. I have not seen, like I've seen the color and it's really nice. I don't even know what comforter it is. Also guys, मम्मा पापा के गिफ्ट्स हो गए. मुझे दादी ने एक बहुत ही amazing gift दिया है. Like I don't want to say that, but this is the gift which I'm gonna use the most and I love the most. And basically Dadi asked me, she usually gives me shagan on every birthday. This time she asked me, what do you want for your birthday? I was like and then I told her I want this and I ordered it myself. So this is a massage thermotherapy, magnetic therapy. So let me open and show it to you guys how it is. So if you guys know, I have a backache and I get physiotherapy done quite frequently for that. So I got this massager. So this has balls. While when you on it, like they like turn around. Let me just show you. So this is how it works. Like you can keep it wherever you want to. Like I have a backache, so I keep it like here. And this definitely helps. Oh my god, this is too good. And this is from Amazon, and I think if your back hurts or anything hurts, I think you should get it because this is like very great quality. This has helped me a lot. मैं बर्थडे के बाद जितनी मैं थक गई थी, this has like been a savior and I really like it. Thank you so much, Dadi. So starting from Gurleen, as you guys know, Gurleen is my college friend and we met in college and we are like very close. So she sent the gift a week prior to my birthday because she was like very skeptical कि birthday तक बस पहुंच जाए. So she just sent it in like advance. This is a very, very thoughtful and beautiful gift. Guys, can you see this? Oh my god, this is crystal. This is my face and you know, like it'll show up according to the background. Let me just put a white tissue paper and show you how it looks like. This like glass. This is very delicate. Firstly, I wanted to keep it like on my bedside, but now I'm very skeptical. I don't want to break it, but this is so pretty. And she also sent 2 chocolates, जिसमें से एक मैं खा चुकी हूँ, एक मैंने वीडियो के लिए संभाल के रखी है so that I could show it to you guys. And she also sent a very, very cute teddy bear. Oh, this is so soft and cute. Thanks, Gurleen. Next up, let's talk about Komal Masi. Komal Masi is Bhabhi's mama. If you don't know, she got me this very cute bag. This is from Van Hussein. It comes with a sling and this comes with like a handle and I cannot like wait to style it. I wanted a bag this size. Next up, I have another bag. So you guys saw that Simran and Deepti came to surprise me in the morning on my birthday. So Simmi, as a gift, she bought me chole bhature because I love chole bhature. So she got it as a birthday present to me. And Deepti, on the other hand, bought a cake which she made herself. She has a Instagram bakery or Instagram store, as you may call it. I'll leave the picture right here and her link so you can like go place your orders. She makes amazing cakes. And also she got me a bag. Guys, the color is to die for. The steel color, I'm in love with the steel color. I cannot wait to like style these. Also in my birthday shopping haul, you saw that I got a heels this color, so I can't wait to like style both of them together. This one's from Lavi. This also comes with a nice handle, a very nice spacious bag. Like you open it like this, it has a zipper and I think it comes with a sling. Yeah, it comes with a teal sling. So thank you so much, Deepti, for like bringing it to me and thank you. This wasn't required though. Talking of my friends, my friend Shifali sent me a very, very, very beautiful cake which had YouTube detailing. I'll post a picture right here. She got it made from Nickelicious by Nikki. I think that's how her Instagram handle is. She got it from Nickelicious and the cake was so tasty. The cake was so beautiful. Thank you, Shifali. You need a special mention here. Also, I met Gurkiran. Gurkiran is a very good friend. We were studying together in bachelors. So she made an impromptu decision to meet me on my birthday and she brought a cake. जिसपे गार्गी एंड मोहिनी दोनों लिखा था because हम गार्गी बर्थडे पे भी नहीं मिल पाए थे. And thank you so much, Gurkiran, for getting this cake. This is the cake which she got. And as if we are talking about cakes, Gargi got me my favorite hazelnut cake a day prior, like 29th रात को हमने जो hazelnut cake काटा था, that she got me and I loved the cake. And Bhabhi, on the other hand, got a very, very, very beautiful cake. She custom made it. She had Snapchat, Instagram, YouTube, a dress, and it had written Mo. So yeah, and also guys, we are talking about that. Vrinda also surprised me by decorating my room in the day, and this was the best. Like, you have seen everything in the birthday vlog, right? So it was so magical, so great. She also planned this 23 things, so yeah. But let me just move on to gifts and then we'll talk later. And also guys, like, we are talking about cakes. There's one more cake which I wanna special mention here. So Bake Stassi is a Instagram bakery again, so I'll put a picture of the cake right here and I'll mention their Instagram handle here, so you can just contact them for the orders. The cake was so beautiful. Like, as you can see, it's so beautiful, nahi? And it was super yummy at the same time. Like, I loved it. Thank you, Bake Stassi, for sending it across, and thank you so much. So guys, one more gift. This one Mannat gave me. This is a LED ring light, and guys, this just came in after I shot the video, so couldn't show it to you in the video, but I'm so happy. And thank you so much, Mannat, for sending this across. It's like a very, very, very helpful gift, and I'm gonna use it a lot, and I hope you guys will find a better quality now. And now the only gifts which are left are Gargi's. So let's start with what Vanshika gifted me, because जब मैं surprise करने गई थी तो Vanshika had a separate gift for me, and then we'll talk about what Gargi gave me. So now these are two boxes which Vanshika gave me. एक थोड़ा सा बड़ा है, so it came in like one in the other. So this is like written, this has pink written here. This is a makeup pouch which you can keep brushes and you can keep your stuff, and I wanted something like this. This is so helpful. I've used it once and I was super happy. Like, this will come like super handy. Thank you, auntie. Thank you, Vanshika, for sending this. So we've talked about everything and everybody, but only Gargi is left. So the first gift what she gave me is this photo frame. This is something marble print which she got it from Delhi especially for me, and this picture is so matching with the frame, and this picture is such a happy picture. The second gift what she got me, आपने पूरी वीडियो में देखा होगा, this is this pillow. It has lights and it has our photo, and I love this photo. This is a very recent photo. Next up, she gave me something unexpected. So she gave me a watch. This is from Giordano, and guys, this is hell expensive, and she got this for me. I'm so like happy, but I have no words. This is like this watch, like a very, very beautiful silver watch. Can you see? It looks so pretty. So I had a silver watch, but that's a smartwatch, so I can't wear it like very often because मैं थोड़ा उसको charge करना भूल जाती हूँ. But this is something I'm gonna wear so frequent. This is so pretty. So this is a close-up of the watch. This is so pretty. I love the watch. Thank you so much, Gargi. This wasn't needed, babe. And there is just one gift left, which is super special. So Gargi wrote me a letter, a 2-page long letter. Like, it's a 2-page, it's laminated, and I'm not going to read it, but she made my day so special. She had a candlelight setup planned for the cake cutting. She decorated the canopy and she did everything. And Vrinda, like, ये दोनों लड़कियों ने मेरा बर्थडे इतना स्पेशल बना दिया. I cannot compare, of course. Like, don't even ask me कि किसने क्या better किया, because they both are so close to my heart. They are incomparable, uncomparable, as you say. Thank you so much, girls. Thank you, Gargi and Vrinda. I love you. And now let's get to the point of the giveaway. So this time I wanted to do a giveaway. Earlier I was thinking let's do one giveaway, but then I was like, I did 23 videos, so let's do at least 3 giveaways. So the rules are very simple. I'll put them in the description box as well, but let me tell you. So the first rule is that you must be a subscriber. The second rule is that you have to comment on this video that by telling me which was your favorite amongst the 23 videos which I did, basically among the 22 videos, because this is the 23rd, right? So you have to tell me which was your favorite video. Then you have to comment the same thing on the Instagram post जो आज giveaway की post होगी, उस पर you have to comment the same comment जो यहाँ पे किया copy paste, plus you have to tag 3 friends, and if they follow the rules it will be brownie points for you. But yeah, you have to tag 3 friends and you must be a follower on Instagram, and if you post a story it will be a brownie point again. So this is going to be like, I know who follow me genuinely, so if you have been a follower and you have been commenting regularly, so there are higher chances for you guys to win. And जिन्होंने नहीं भी किया है, then also you can win. Like, we have 3 giveaways this time, so I'm gonna try to like pick the best ones possible. So I'm gonna put all the rules in the description so you can go read it, and then you guys know what to do exactly. And thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching the 23 series, because the 23 days are something I committed to and you guys committed to as well. You guys watched all of those videos, so thank you so much for watching all of them. Thank you so much for sharing your love, and I think I'm gonna do the series next year as well. Let's hope for the best. And till then, bye bye guys. I love you so much, and thank you. Bye. Thank you for sticking around and I love you guys.